Verifying your investor status on PeerStreet is an important step to access investment opportunities. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Create an account. Before changing your settings, use the f.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Log in. Once your account is activated, log in using your credentials. This will take you to your account dashboard where you can manage your profile and investments. Step 3. Access investor verification. Navigate to the account settings or profile section of your dashboard. Look for the option labeled investor verification or similar to begin the verification process. Step 4. Provide required information. Fill out the necessary information to verify your investor status. This may include details about your income, net worth, and investment experience. Be prepared to upload any required documents for proof. Step 5. Submit your application. After completing the form and uploading documents, review your information for accuracy and submit your application. You will receive a confirmation email once your verification is processed. Once you have completed these steps, you will be able to access investment opportunities on PeerStreet. Make sure to check your email for updates regarding your verification status.